In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Calendly poll in this comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're scheduling for work, personal commitments, or coordinating group events, editing your poll can help you manage your time effectively. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you have everything set up just as you need it. Firstly, you'll want to begin by logging into the Calendly platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to calendly.com. From there, log in with your account credentials. If you've been using Calendly for a while, you'll immediately recognize the dashboard. If you're new, don't worry, it's straightforward and user-friendly. Once logged in, your next step is to find the Meeting Polls section on the dashboard. This is where all your scheduling polls are housed. You'll want to click on the Meeting Polls tab, which will take you to a list of all the polls you've created. This feature of Calendly is incredibly useful for coordinating meeting times with others by allowing them to vote on the best time slots. It brings more flexibility and convenience to scheduling. Now, with your list of polls in front of you, it's time to locate the specific poll you wish to edit. Browse through your polls to find the one that needs adjustments. This might be a poll you set up recently or one you created a while back but now needs some tweaks for an upcoming event. Once you've identified the poll you want to edit, look for the pencil icon or the edit button next to it. Clicking on this will open up a menu of options you can modify. This editing capability is valuable as it lets you refine the details to fit your evolving needs. You have the freedom to adjust various elements of your poll, primarily the time slots available. If you find some times aren't convenient anymore or perhaps new ones have opened up, feel free to make these changes. Additionally, you can edit further details such as the meeting location. This could be your physical office address, a virtual meeting link, or whatever venue you're using. It's important to ensure this information is accurate to avoid any confusion later on. Don't forget the title and description of the poll. You'd be surprised how a clear title and comprehensive description can streamline the scheduling process, providing participants with all the necessary context they need. After making all your desired adjustments, your final step is to save the changes. Be sure not to skip this step, as all your meticulous edits won't be preserved unless you click the save button. Once you've done this, your poll is now updated and ready to be shared with participants or kept for future reference. And there you have it. That's how you edit a Calendly poll. I hope this guide has made the process easy and clear for you. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.